Did you know your dinner bowl could be the secret to better eyesight? Yes, certain soups before bed can actually help seniors repair eye health and even improve night vision. Stay with me, because today I'll reveal 4 powerful soups you should try. As we age, our eyes naturally weaken. Many seniors struggle with blurred vision, dry eyes, or difficulty seeing in the dark. But the good news is, your diet plays a huge role in eye health. And soups, packed with the right ingredients, are one of the easiest ways to nourish your eyes while keeping you warm and satisfied before bedtime. Soup number 1, Carrot and Ginger Soup. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for sharp vision and preventing night blindness. Adding ginger improves blood circulation to your eyes. A warm carrot-ginger soup at night not only soothes your stomach but also strengthens your eyes. Soup number 2, Spinach and Lentil Soup. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration. Lentils add protein and iron, keeping your eyes oxygenated and healthy. This soup is hearty, filling, and an excellent bedtime choice for seniors. Soup number 3, Tomato and Red Pepper Soup. Tomatoes and red peppers are high in lycopene and vitamin C, both known to reduce the risk of cataracts. This soup also reduces oxidative stress in your eyes, helping you see more clearly, especially at night. Soup number 4, Mushroom and Garlic Soup. Mushrooms contain zinc and selenium, minerals that improve night vision and protect your retina. Garlic improves circulation and reduces eye pressure, lowering the risk of glaucoma. A warm bowl of mushroom garlic soup is not only tasty but works like natural eye medicine. Bedtime connection. The best time to enjoy these soups is in the evening, about an hour before bed. Your body absorbs the nutrients while you sleep, giving your eyes the chance to rest and repair overnight. So seniors, instead of just relying on pills or supplements, try adding these 4 soups into your nightly routine. Your eyes will thank you with sharper vision, less dryness, and improved night vision. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, which soup will you try first? Carrot, spinach, tomato, or mushroom?